Hey there, before we get started, if you've enjoyed one of my classes before, please take a quick second to click the subscribe button. It's completely free and helps my channel out so much more than you know. Thank you and enjoy class. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Elizabeth and welcome to yet another highly requested Pilates class. Today's class will be brief, but it will absolutely be spicy, especially if you include some light dumbbells. I think these are about 2.5 to 3 pounds each. And then I also am using my Level Up ankle weights. So you can get these on my website, arianaelizabeth.com. I'll also be using my studio ball, and this again you can also get on my website as well. You don't need any of these things if you don't have any of them, so just know that you can complete this very much so without any of these items. However, if you do have them, it will most definitely complement the practice very well. So today's class is actually was a special request. We will only be laying down. So we'll be on our backs or on our sides. You won't even come into a tabletop. So I like to call it my lazy girl Pilates, but we will definitely still be hitting everything: core, legs, shoulders, arms, all of it. But it'll be quick. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're just going to start off. I have my ankle weights on right now. You can put yours on as well if you'd like. You're going to roll right onto your back. Hands on your knees, bring those knees in towards you and roll them away. Now, in my classes, I appreciate slow, intentional movement. I am not one to rush. So when you are going through these movements, you can take it the other way with the knees. When you are going through these movements, feel free to take your time and let your muscles really work and get engaged and work on stabilizing you. Alrighty, let's come to a little happy baby. Flex the feet up to the ceiling. If you have those ankle weights on, it really is going to feel great. You can rock side to side. Awesome. Bring those knees in together. Arms can come out to a T. You're going to bring your palms flat actually. You're going to bring your knees over to the left and then lift them up using your core over to the right. Up to the left. And the right. Nice. Let's give yourself a big squeeze. I'm trying to pull this thing up. There you go. Big squeeze, deep breath in. On the exhale, extend arms and legs out. And then sweep the arms back in to a squeeze. Extend out, gazing up at the ceiling. Sweep it in. One more. Alrighty, you can lower those feet down to the mat, relax your core, let your knees go side to side. Alright, we're going to go ahead and grab those dumbbells, if you have them. Feet are flat, and you're just going to do a nice little shoulder press here. So pressing up and lowering. Don't let those elbows hit the mat when you come back down. Nice. Exhaling on that press up for 8, 7, 6, 5, last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the arms up. Let's go ahead and lift those legs up. Point your toes. I'm really big on pointing your toes because it definitely engages your legs immediately. Alrighty, so we're going to add a chest press, what we were just doing, but we're going to lower one leg and then the other. So we're lowering the right leg, pressing it back up. Left leg, press it back up. Squeeze your core so that you're pinning your spine down to the mat. And lift. For 6, 5, 4, 3, exhaling on that lift, 2, and 1. Very nice. Alrighty, bring both weights to center, so you're lifting them right above your head. You're holding on to the edges, and then we're going to slowly tabletop the legs, and we're just going to tap the left toes, bring it up to center. Tap the right, center, left, and right. Now, when you're doing this, make sure that your back is flat on this mat. If you feel a big arch, that means you need to rock those knees in closer towards you. However, you don't want to just tap like this. We're not just hinging at the knee, because that doesn't require any core engagement. We want to lower the leg completely, so you're rocking that pelvis towards you, and then you're tapping the toe. 4 more. 3. Don't squeeze your teeth together. 2. Last one. Very nice. Feet can go flat. Relax those weights. You can just rest them on your belly if that feels okay. Big inhale. And exhale. Alrighty, taking those weights into your hands. Tabletop the legs again. And this time, your palms are facing in towards each other. You're extending the right arm and the left leg. Bring it into center. Left arm, right leg, into center. Extend and extend. Nice. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Last little burner. Feet can come flat. Disengage your legs for just a second. You're going to bring those weights to your hands, holding on to them together like one unit. Big inhale here. Long exhale. Nice. Let's tabletop those legs. Slightly lift your head and neck up off the mat. You're really pressing those weights up. Knees are in, so you're going to bring the knees to your tricep or to your forearms, and then you're extending everything out. Knees in, extend everything out. For 5. Exhale for 4. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it out for 5, 4, 3, 2. Lower down. Whew. Big breath in and exhale. 1 more in and exhale. Awesome. Put those weights aside just for a second. You're going to need one of them. And actually, let's rock and roll up to a seat. That might feel good for our spine. Hands behind your knees. We'll take 3 rocks. For 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Come to just a little easy seat just for a second and take a circle forward, to the right, and to the left. All right, hands on your knees, lift your chest, and round. Nice, just to stretch the core out a little tiny bit. All right, grab your ball, my friends. We're going to come onto our left side first. You're bringing that ball underneath your ribs and your knees are bent. Grab one of your dumbbells. Weight is at the mat, not at heart center where I was going at first. Weight is at the mat, and we're going to straighten that top leg. All right, so as we open up that right arm, we're lifting the leg, and then we're closing it all down with control. Lift, close it down. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up right here. We're flexing and pointing. Flex, point, flex, and point. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring that leg down halfway. You're turning the chest back forward. Weight comes to heart center. You're pressing into that left shoulder so you're not sinking into it. And we're sweeping the leg forward. Flex, drive it back to center. Forward, flex, and point. For 3. Squeeze your core when that leg comes forward. 2. Last 1. Very nice. Alrighty, this time we are sweeping the leg back, bringing that arm forward so the palm is down, and we're extending that right arm forward. Going to bring everything in, knee passes the elbow, and then extend. In and extend. Nice. For 4, 3, 2. Last 1. Here's the final burn. Extend it out. Lift it up and down. Pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Bring it in. Hit that right glute, maybe the thigh as well. And we'll do the other side. So again, bringing that ball right underneath your rib. Weight is in the left hand. And again, we're not sinking onto this shoulder. As tempting as it is, we're pressing away, bending the knees, and extend that left leg out. Point both toes. Inhale, open up. Exhale, close. Inhale. And exhale. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Flex and point. Flex, point. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower that leg halfway. Don't let it touch. Weight is at heart center. Press away from the mat. Squeeze your core. Leg sweeps forward. Flex as it goes back in line with your body. Forward. Back. You just have 3 more. I'm right here with you. It's definitely burning. 2 more. Last 1. Awesome. Extend that arm out. We're going right into that. Extend. Bring it in. For 3, 2. Hold it out. Pulse it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Oh my gosh. Hit the left glute, left thigh. I'm telling you, when you add those ankle weights, it takes it to another level. Very good job. Alrighty, you can put that weight down. Come back onto your back. Extend those arms overhead, legs out long, big inhale here. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, roll your ankles, roll your wrists. Bring everything in, nice little tiny ball, big squeeze, deep breath in. And exhale, release everything down to the mat. You can take a rock up to a seat when you're ready. And you're all done for today. If you'd like to do some additional stretching, I definitely have some stretches on my channel, so feel free to scroll around and just type in deep stretch or post-class stretch or anything, and I guarantee you I have something on my channel for that. But I want to keep this video short, so alrighty, I hope you enjoyed today's class. God bless you, and if you would like to support me in other ways, I'll leave my Cash App and Venmo on the next slide, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.